man.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 92, effective until 1 a.m.
Yeah, buddy.
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 92, effective until Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 92 has been issued until 1 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne. At 7 p.m.